What is more important, beauty or character, and why?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for that wonderful question. So bear with me. I am proud Filipino, so I will use Tagalog. Okay. For me, para po sa akin, ang importante po is ang character. Because beauty is already given to me. Ang karakter po ang siyang nagiging role model natin upang tayo ay hangaan at tayo ay maging isang magandang modelo sa bawat youth at sa bawat isa. Character is the more important. Beauty is just a given on us. Kung tayo ay may magandang pagkatao, tayo ay magiging isang modelo sa pagbabago ng ating komunidad. I have spoken. That's all. Thank you.
And she has spoken. Thank you. Candidate number 3. Up next is candidate number 4, looking very regal and sophisticated in your gold gown. Same question, how are you feeling tonight, candidate number 4?
I'm a little bit nervous, but I know that kaya ko siya.
Yes, kaya natin ito. And while our candidates are answering the questions, may I request our audience to please kindly minimize our noises so that our candidates will be able to express their thoughts and opinions very well. So let's just clap at the end of their answers. Thank you so much. Now, please speak your question, candidate number 4. All right, so your question is, what is your greatest fear and how do you try to overcome it? Again, what is your greatest fear and how do you try to overcome it?
Thank you for that wonderful question. My greatest fear was to be disappointed in myself, is also into my family. But to overcome it all, I will do my best to be the best person and make life more beautiful. Learn every mistake, and first of all, leave all the problems and talk to God. Don't let fear take away over on our way. If someone loves us truly, they will help us, guide us, and support us without discrimination. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very well said, candidate number 4. Up next, looking very fiery in her red gown. She's like a phoenix that descended at Barangay Mandag, candidate number 5. Same question, how are you feeling tonight?
My feeling tonight is medyo nakalmaan.
Medyo nakalbaan. Well, it's normal and I think you have a lot of supporters out there cheering you on. So, kaya natin to. Please speak your question. All right, so your question is, once again, may I request our audience to please minimize our noise so that our candidate will be able to compose her question, or her answer rather. Your question is, who is a better teacher, failure or success? Again, who is a better teacher, failure or success?
Thank you for a wonderful question. For me, it's a failure because kung hindi natin maagyan ng failure, hindi natin na-success ang ating nakabuhi. And I thank you.
And I thank you. Short but on the spot. Wala nang maraming kudaan. Bomba na to. Alright. Next, candidate number 6. Alright, so because I am hearing a lot of supporters cheering you on, might as well ask, what would you like to say to your supporters that are cheering you on the crowd?
Good evening, Bandugano! And thank you for the support. Pag magkatugyan nga ma-effort, thank you very much.
Alright. Thank you so much, kids sa taga-Mandog, para sa pag-attend kang Linay kang Mandog. Alright. Please make your question, candidate number 6. Alright. So your question is, what do you think is the main role or purpose of a youth in a community? Again, what do you think is the main role or purpose of a youth in a community?
Dr. Rizal once said, ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. And I do believe that our role is to learn, to lead, and to inspire change. And I thank you.
And I thank you. Thank you so much, candidate number 6. And last but not the least, let's hear it from our candidate number 7. So candidate number 7, how are you feeling tonight? Given yung rapid na lang matapos ang aton nga Linay sang Mandog.
Nagdaan na po, kay mataas din ang ako yung confidence po nga gabi.
Nakulbaan but confident. That's the spirit. Now, please pick your question. The last question. Your question is, what makes you unique with the other contestants? Again, what makes you unique with the other contestants?
Para sa akon, para sa akon sa sining nga gabi, ako ang naging confident kag
That's the spirit. It's okay. Candidate number 7. Confidence is a key to success. And thank you so much to all our lovely candidates for giving your best in all our competitions, in all the segments of